हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष
and of course their families, our book running lead manager, lead counsels, advisors, registrar, auditors, agencies and employee members of the media and all the partners who have joined us today on this very special occasion. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to everyone who is joining us via wiring harnesses for ICE and electric vehicles, battery packs, switches, sensors, controllers, connectors, terminals, high voltage interconnection systems, and power supply cords. According to the Crystal report, it is among the top 2 wiring harness players for 2 and 3 wheelers in the country, with a 41% market share in fiscal 20. Managing Director of the company, Mr. Naveen Kumar Singh, the Group CEO of India. Mr. Nitin Kalani, the CFO of the company. From the board, we have with us Mr. Ajay Sheth, who is the chairman of the board. Mr. Rashi Mandawat, partner of Bane Capital. Mr. Sahil Bhatia, partner, Bane Capital. Mr. Barjor Dadachanji, the operating partner at Bane Capital. Mr. Dhiren Sheth. We also have with us Mr. Matangi Gore Shankar, Mr. Tarun Sharma. And from Bane Capital, let's give it up for Mr. Pavan Singh, partner. And we also have with us Mr. Ashish Kotecha, partner. Along with the members of the Duth family and of course the wider Dhoot Transmission family, we would like to warmly welcome our gracious host for today, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange. The book running lead managers to the issue who have played a very key role during the company's IPO. Let us welcome the team of Axis Capital Limited, the team of Jefferies India Private Limited, the team of Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, the team of Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited, the team of SBI Capital Markets Limited, and the team of 361 WAM Limited. Thank you so much. Our gratitude, of course, to all the legal counsels, advisors, auditors, registrars, PR partners, employees, and the other professionals whose efforts have contributed toward this milestone. And now, to mark the auspicious beginning of the landmark listing ceremony, I now invite our esteemed dignitaries to kindly join us on stage for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp, a symbol of knowledge, prosperity, and new beginnings. Let us welcome on stage Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan of the National Stock Exchange, please. A huge round of applause. Let's welcome Mr. Rahul Duth, Mrs. Anupama Duth, Mr. Rishi Mandawat, Mr. Pavan Singh, Mr. Sahil Bhatia, Mr. Ashish Kotecha, Mr. Ajay Sheth, Mr. Tarun Sharma, Mr. Matangi Govarishankar, Mr. Naveen Kumar Singh, and Mr. Nitin Kalani on stage. Please join us on stage. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. This is a symbol of knowledge, a symbol of prosperity, and a symbol of new beginnings for Dhoot Transmission Limited. An auspicious start to what is going to be a very special morning indeed. Capturing the moment with a memorable photo opportunity, the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony at the National Stock Exchange as we signal new beginnings for Dhoot Transmission Limited. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and we request our dignitaries to kindly take their seats. Thank you all very much. And now let us begin with the addresses for this landmark occasion. I would like to invite on stage Mr. Ashish Nigam, Managing Director, Axis Capital Limited, to deliver the opening address. A huge round of applause.
Thank you, Avan. Good morning, everyone. It's so good to see the larger Duth family here today as well. We really miss the children in the roadshow. It makes the occasion even more special. Welcome to this historic day, not just for Dhoot Transmission, but in many ways for the Indian capital markets as well. And I'll come back to why I'm saying that. So I won't spend too much time talking about the obvious. Yes, Duth is a phenomenal company. Its products are a very integral part of the automotive supply chain. In some way, they are the nervous system of the vehicle. And as vehicles get more electronic and connected, Dhoot's role will become even more critical. But all of that is known. And instead, I'll talk about 4 aspects of this IPO process, which the larger audience might not be aware of. So firstly, at 18,000 crore post-money IPO valuation, it is the highest number for any Indian auto comp in the history of Indian listing. And based on how we expect it to list, it will be the highest listed market cap for an Indian auto comp on day 1 of listing. Quite a debut. So another lesser known fact is that the valuation range the banks went with to Bane and Rahul, they came back to us and said, no, we want to go out with a lower valuation because we want to leave more money on the table. That is extremely rare for a promoter to do, and it's even more rare for a private equity to do. Thank you, Bane team and Rahul, for that. Thirdly, this is one of the few instances where the first and only valuation range we went out with, all the top 3 mutual funds confirmed at that first and only valuation. As bankers, we can tell you that is extremely, extremely rare. And the result is for everyone to see in front of you. Despite a very crowded IPO market, the QIB book was oversubscribed a whopping 210 times. The overall issue garnered bids of over 1.61 lakh crore, which again is a record. It's the highest amount of money or bids that have come in for an Indian auto comp IPO. It's absolutely incredible and just shows the confidence that investors have, placed in the company and in Rahul. I sincerely hope it doesn't make the Bane team feel we left too much money on the table. But all of this was possible only because of one person, Mr. Rahul Duth. Yes, everyone loved the business, everyone loved the financials, great margin, great ROCs. But when people met Rahul in the meetings, we have so many meetings where investors have come out and said, listen, the business is great, but I really want to back this guy. I really want to work with him. And his passion for the business is absolutely incredible. Thank you, Rahul. You made our job as banks much, much easier. And you're an absolute inspiration. The second thanks is for the entire Bane team for giving all of us banks a chance to partner with you on this historic journey. Thank you for trusting Axis Capital to be your left lead. Another great decision as always. Thanks Rishi and Sahil for making the innocent mistake for allowing us banks to give investors your mobile number to call you directly for allocations. It again made our job as banks much, much easier. Thanks Swati and Berjor for running such a tight ship throughout the process. Swati was sandwiched between the company and the banks, and I think she's happy that no one will trouble her for the next few weeks. So congrats again to the entire Bane team and the Duth family. As you'll begin your listed journey today, it's only beginning of our relationship. Thank you again and congrats to the whole team.
Thank you so very much for those words, Mr. Nigam, and clearly some of the right decisions taken, some milestone and mind-boggling numbers, absolutely. It is now my absolute privilege to invite on stage the man of the moment, Mr. Rahul Duth, the Managing Director of Dhoot Transmission Limited, to address this gathering.
Thank you. Respected Shri Ashish Chauhan ji, CEO and MD of NSE, dignitaries on the dais of the dais, and my dear friends. It's a big, big day. It's a big day for all of us at Dhoot Transmission and at Bane Capital. We had been dreaming about this and manifesting this for many years, but it only took shape when Bane Capital decided to invest in us. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है, मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों में उड़ान होती है. Started with Dhoot Transmission 25 years back. Over the last 25 years, have scaled up this company with my team from a first year revenue of 45 lakh rupees to what we did last year was 4,500 crores. Started off with manufacturing wiring harnesses, backward integrated into connection system, forward integrated into electronic sensors and controllers, switches, moved into EV, into power electronics, and also started doing EV battery assemblies. Today, about 25% of our revenue comes from the EV vertical. And I believe with our focus and our team's focus on the same, we continue to grow on this. I would like to thank my customers who believed in our capabilities and our commitments and gave us a chance to serve them. I would like to thank all my team members over here. It was only because of all of you that we could adhere to the quality, cost, design, delivery, because of which the customers were happy and we grew. I would like to remember my late grandfather, Shri Ramnathji Duth, who would have felt very proud today. I would also like to thank my parents, family, and friends. But above all, I would like to thank my lovely wife, Anupama, for partnering with me in this growth journey, giving me the flexibility of travel and work, yet raising wonderful children and giving me a happy home. I would like to thank the management of Bane Capital, Rishi, Sahil, Pavan, Burjor, Amitji, all of y'all for believing in us and trying to let us do what we wanted to do over the last 1.5 years. I would like to thank our book running lead managers, Axis, Jeffries, Kotak, Nomura, SBI, and 361, our legal advisors, Cam, Sam, Ketan, Latham, and Trilegal, and finally our PwC, our auditors, our Nova One, our IPO advisors, and EY, our PMO, and also to the regulators and stock exchanges, a big thank you for upholding the higher standards of governance and transparency. And above all, I would like to thank our new shareholders and investors for the confidence you have placed on us. And I can assure you that we will not take this for granted and we will go on creating value for all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
A thunderous applause and very well deserved indeed. This is what dreams are made of, and today we are seeing them come to reality. Now I would please like to invite on stage Mr. Rishi Mandawat, partner, Bane Capital, to please address us. A round of applause.
Hi, good morning everyone. Rahul, the entire Duth family, Mr. Ashish Chauhan and the entire NSE team, all of our bankers, our advisors, and of course the entire Bane Capital team, everybody who made today possible. Today is one of the proudest moments of my professional career. And before anything else, Rahul, congratulations. You built this. We just had the good sense to knock on your door at the right time. Let me start by how this journey began, right? I think we had been engaging with Rahul for almost 2 years before we actually signed anything or agreed to any transaction. I met him in the factories, in boardrooms, in the Taj, having chai at 10, 11 p.m. in the night after taking that awful flight from Bombay to Aurangabad. But we persisted because everything we saw made us feel the same thing, that this was the #1 wiring harness company in the country for two-wheelers, three-wheelers, and not just in India, but globally. Decades of long-term relationships with customers, a cost position that competitors couldn't match, operational excellence, a workforce of over 15,000 people, with more than half being women, something that is something that we are amazingly proud of. However, convincing Rahul to do a transaction was not easy. Founders like him don't open their doors to anyone. I think what brought us together was not about valuation, not about spreadsheets, not about numbers. It was eventually a connection and a shared vision. We really felt we could work together. एक और एक 11 बनाएंगे हम, and I think that has played out as well as it could have. We have, I think, got the best of both worlds. We have got a promoter-driven entrepreneurial culture, and at the same time, we have built a professional team which brings in the systems, processes, controls, and both of us know our roles, responsibilities, and have trusted each other to deliver against those roles and responsibilities. It's been a real partnership, a real marriage, not a transaction. I think since we have partnered, the journey has been remarkable. It has been accomplished at an incredible pace. We have worked together seamlessly. We have brought in a professional leadership team, a CEO, a CFO. We've brought in functional heads. We have strengthened the board and have an amazing board with us today. We have added new capacity. We have deepened our relationships and done joint ventures as well as acquisitions. So we have done a lot. And the business hasn't just met the plan, it's beat the plan. I think ahead of plan are amongst the sweetest words that an investor can hear in the English language. closely followed by 202 times oversubscribed. Because I think that's what's happened last week. The institutional book crossed over 200 times subscription, and the overall book crossed 50 times. I actually wasn't even aware that this was the largest market cap and the highest subscribed auto components book, but that's amazing. That makes us believe even more that the market has unambiguously believed and has shown confidence in this story. And a big thank you to our bankers and advisors who ran a flawless process. And of course, to all the investors who have trusted the company and us with their capital today. Welcome to the Duth family. I would say a word about Rahul. Very few founders know, live and breathe their business like Rahul. Ask him about any customer, any plant, or any overdue customer balance, and you will get the answer down to the last rupee. He's a builder, he's a perfectionist, and it's been a privilege to partner with him. Let me also thank the Bane team. I think we have worked really hard as a team to get to where we have. All my partners, Pawan, Sahil, Ashish, the team, Sriram, who's been with the transaction from day one, who actually ended up meeting Rahul before I did, Burjor, Swati, Ishan, and of course many others who've contributed to this success. Today is a milestone, but it is also a beginning of a new chapter for Duth. We enter the public markets as a global leader, in the core business of two-wheeler, three-wheeler wiring harnesses, and with a clear runway. We see rising content per vehicle as India electrifies. We have new segments that we are entering. And as Bane, we are committed as a long-term shareholder to this journey through the years. 25 years ago, this company started with a founder, a handful of people, and a copper wire. Today, it stands at the National Stock Exchange with 15,000 plus employees, 21 plants across 5 countries. It is a testament that Indian manufacturing can achieve amazing things. And we hope to take this journey forward. To the entire family of Duth, to every employee of Duth, congratulations. Thank you, all of you, for being here. And here's to the journey ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so very much for those words. Clearly, like you said, it is the beginning of a completely new chapter for Dhoot Transmission Limited. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on stage Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange, to share his remarks on this special occasion. Please put your hands together.
Shri Rahul Duth, Founder and MD, Dhoot Transmission. Shri Naveen Kumar, CEO, Dhoot Transmission. Shri Nitin Kalani, CFO, Dhoot Transmission. Board members, employees, family members, media personnel, merchant bankers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Dhoot Transmission Limited. NSE is proud to welcome Dhoot Transmission in our family of listed corporates, and now it becomes 3,042nd company to list with us, further strengthening the vibrant and growing ecosystem of listed Indian enterprises. India is the 5th largest capital market in the world. Market capitalization of NSE listed companies has grown over 130 times since NSE started operations in 1994, which stands now at about 490 lakh crore rupees, or US dollar 5.14 trillion. At NSE, our commitment has been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in that growth, and India's economy to thrive. In 32 years, NSE has been a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth through fund mobilization, capital formation, wealth creation, and job creation. As India marches towards becoming a Viksit Bharat, the listing of Dhoot Transmission on NSE reflects the spirit of an India driven by innovation and global competitiveness. As entities like Dhoot Transmission scale through public markets, they contribute directly to building a more strong, self-reliant, and future-ready nation. In recent years, India has consistently ranked among the top IPO markets globally, even as several international markets witnessed subdued activity. In calendar year 2025, India was a global leader by number of IPOs, followed by the US and mainland China. In financial year 26, NSE facilitated 222 IPOs through both the main board and NSE emerge, raising 1.8 lakh crore in total, one of the strongest years on board. NSE today serves over 13.2 crore unique investors holding 26.6 crore investor accounts, spanning 99.85% of all PIN codes in the country. We are proud to offer Dhoot Transmission access to this broad investor base, a fair, efficient, transparent, and orderly market ecosystem. A public listing is the beginning of a new chapter, one that reflects the company's performance, governance standards, leadership, and the spirit of entrepreneurship. I congratulate the entire team of Dhoot Transmission, its merchant bankers Axis Capital, Jefferies, Kotak, Nomura, SBI, 361, legal advisors Cyril Merchant, PR agency, Ad Factors, and other parties associated in this listing for their collective accomplishments. Today's listing is the beginning of a strong partnership between NSE and Dhoot Transmission. We look forward to support you in your continued growth and future fundraising endeavors like FPOs, rights issues, commercial papers, NCDs, sustainability-linked bonds, and many others. May your journey on NSE as a listed company be impactful, prosperous, and enduring. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Chauhan, for those encouraging words. And of course, for joining Dhoot Transmission Limited on this very landmark occasion. I request you to stay back, and now let's move on to the presentation of the mementos as we commemorate today's listing. I would like to invite on stage once again Mr. Rahul Duth, Managing Director, Dhoot Transmission Limited, along with Mr. Rishi Mandawat, Partner, Bane Capital, on stage for the Momento Exchange. Let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan presenting to the management of Dhoot Transmission Limited as well as Bane Capital, the iconic NSE Bell Memento. We would also like to present a box of special listing badges. A round of applause. Wonderful, and on behalf of the National Stock Exchange, a commemorative coffee table book. And now in return, we have Dhoot Transmission Limited presenting their special memento to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan of NSE. Please give it up. Thank you so much to Team Duth. You may now please be seated. Mr. Ashish Kumar, please request you to stay back. Now we have the presentation of the mementos by the National Stock Exchange to our key partners. So let's invite on stage first the team of Axis Capital Limited, please. A round of applause. On standby, can we have Jefferies India Private Limited by the stage, please? Let's welcome the team of Axis Capital Limited, please. Jefferies India Private Limited, please, for the Momento Exchange by NSE. Can we have Kotak Mahindra Capital Company, please, ready? applause the team of Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited. Can we have Nomura Financial Advisory please on standby? Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited receiving their memento. Let's welcome onto the stage the team of Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited. May we have the SBI Capital Markets team ready on standby. These are the bankers who've really worked hard to make this day come into fruition. Time to welcome on stage the team of SBI Capital Markets Limited, please. Can we have the team of 361 Wealth Management, please, on standby? Let's give it up for all your hard work. The team of 361 WAM Limited, please. Let's have the team of Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, please, on standby. And thank you. Let's welcome our legal counsel, the team of Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, on stage to receive their mementos from Ashish Kumar Chauhan of the NSE. And can we have the team of Ad Factors PR on standby? And let us also welcome on stage the team of Ad Factors PR with a huge round of applause. The mementos by the NSE to the bankers, the legal counsel, and of course media partners, Ad Factors. Thank you, Mr. Chauhan, for that. Could I please request Mr. Rahul Duth, Mr. Naveen Kumar Singh, as well as Mr. Nitin Kalani to join us on stage to hand over the mementos to the teams, partners, bankers, and legal counsel once again. And could I have the team of Axis Capital please ready to come on stage? This is the Dhoot Transmission team presenting the mementos to the valued partners who have supported them in this milestone. Let us welcome on stage, first up, the team of Axis Capital Limited. Could Jefferies India Private Limited please be ready? They've worked together in partnership, in symphony, and today that day is coming into fruition. Thank you to the team of Axis Capital Limited. Let's welcome on stage the team of Jefferies India Private Limited on stage, please. Could Kotak Mahindra Capital please be ready? Of Jefferies India Private Limited on stage, supporting the company, working towards this milestone. Thank you, and let us now welcome the team of Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited on stage. Kotak Mahindra Capital Company, that's the team on stage. Thank you for all your hard work. Could Nomura Financial Advisory please be ready? Let's welcome on stage. So we have Nomura Financial Advisory Securities. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have the SBI Capital Markets team ready? Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities India Private Limited here on stage, a valued partner supporting the company in this milestone. Thank you. You may be seated. And let us now welcome the team of SBI Capital Markets Limited on stage, please. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Could we have 361 ready, please? The countdown and the bell is getting closer, so let's move through this in a speedy fashion. Thank you for that. Let's welcome on stage now 361 WAM on stage, please. Let's give it up for the team of 361, please. So very much. You may now be seated. We will continue the rest of the mementos post the bell ringing, but you can see the clock is ticking. So now we are just moments away from this historic moment. Let me request some designated members and management, please on stage, distinguished representatives from NSE as well, to assemble on stage for the bell ringing area. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of NSE. Let's welcome on stage once again Mr. Rahul Duth, Mrs. Anupama Duth, Miss Vedika Duth, Miss Vanshika Duth, Mr. Rudransh Duth, Mr. Pavan Singh, Mr. Rishi Mandawat, Mr. Ashish Kotecha, Mr. Sahil Bhatia, Mr. Barjor Dadachanji, Miss Swati Mittal, Mr. Sriram Srinivasan, Mr. Ishan Maitreya, Mr. Ajay Seth, Mr. Tarun Sharma, Mr. Matangi Govar Shankar, Mr. Dhiren Sheth, Mr. Naveen Kumar Singh, Mr. Nitin Kalani, and Mr. Amey Jogas. All right, everyone near and dear and who has worked so very hard to make this milestone moment come through is right here on this stage with us. And of course, having all of you in the audience is only making this moment all the more special. All right, give it up. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. This is the moment that will mark a new chapter, a moment that will go down in history. And ladies and gentlemen, as the clock hits 10, we're going to do the countdown together, okay? As we're going to commemorate this landmark listing for Dhoot Transmission Limited on the National Stock Exchange. They've already created milestones with their subscription numbers. Now it's time to create more milestones as they're going to list on the stock exchanges. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to do this together in just a few seconds. Let's get straight to the countdown. Cameras ready, energy high. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! The moment we've all been waiting for. Loud, proud, united. This is the listing of Dhoot Transmission Limited on the National Stock Exchange. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. A huge congratulations in this milestone moment. The entire team, the partners, stakeholders, employees, thank you for making this moment possible. Let's commemorate this moment. Get your cameras ready, your energy high, and your hearts full. This is the beginning, and it deserves all the pride and all the power today. It is the listing, official listing of Dhoot Transmission Limited on the National Stock Exchange. Thank you all for being a part of it. I request you to please be seated, but could I please have on stage Mr. Rahul Duth, Mr. Naveen Kumar Singh, as well as Mr. Nitin Kalani as we continue the mementos. Of course.
Thank you, all of you. I forgot to mention few names. One is, I love you, my friends from Sambhaji Nagar. Thanking you, all of you, for taking out the time and coming here. Thank you, my team, who has worked relentlessly. From the Bane capital, I missed on Ashish, Swati, Sriram, and Ishan, who have worked with me throughout. And of course, my board of director under the chairmanship of Ajayji, and my other independent directors, Tarun, Gauri Shankarji, and the Bane Capital Board, and Dhiren. All of us are so much happy today to have all of you here. And thank you, my board. Thank you.
Thank you so very much. Let's also welcome on stage once again Mr. Naveen Kumar Singh and Mr. Nitin Kalani as we continue the special mementos to all the people who have worked relentlessly behind the scenes. Could I please have you on stage along with Mr. Dhoot? All right, and let's keep the energy going, guys. Today has been a great day. We've listed. That historic moment is over, but let's keep the energy still palpable. The team of Cyril, Amarchand, Mangaldas on stage, please. Let's give it up. Could we please have the team of Latham and Watkins ready on standby? Legal counsel who has played a very critical role, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas' team on stage. Thank you. Let us now welcome on stage the team of Latham and Watkins, please, to receive their mementos. Could we have the Latham and Watkins team please on stage? All right, let's get a move on. Let's welcome the team of Khaitan and Company. If you're here, please come up on stage for the Momento. For the team of Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas, please be ready. That's the team of Khaitan and Company on stage. Thank you for all your hard work. Let us also welcome the team of Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas on stage, please. Do we have the team of Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas here? All right, let's move on to the team of Trilegal. Please do come on stage for the Momento. Could the team of Pricewaterhouse Chartered Accountants please be ready? Post which the team of Nova One please be ready. That's the Trilegal team on stage. Let's go to the center. Let's capture these moments. Thank you so very much. Time to welcome on stage the team of Pricewaterhouse Chartered Accountants Limited, please. Could the team of Nova One please be ready? The late nights, the countless hours, all of that coming into fruition today as we celebrate this milestone moment. So a huge thank you on behalf of Dhoot Transmission Limited to the bankers, the legal counsel, partners and everyone who has worked so hard. Let's welcome the team on stage of Nova One. Can we also have the team of KFin Technologies please ready? Nova One. Let's welcome on stage next up the team of KFin Technologies Limited, please. A round of applause. Could Mr. Deepak Naval please be ready? Technologies Limited. And now let's welcome Mr. Deepak Naval of ICICI Securities, please, on stage. Thank you for all your dedication and hard work. Could Mr. Mahesh Singhi please be on standby? Welcome Mr. Mahesh Singhi of Singhi Advisors on stage, please. Good Sapna ji and Harsh and Isha, please make your way on stage. A personal request from Mr. Duth himself. Please could we have you on stage? Thank you so very much for all your hard work. from Singhi Advisors. Could the team of Print Trade please be ready? Thank you so very much for all your hard work. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. Thank you. And let us welcome on stage the team of Print Trade, please. Do we have the team of Print Trade here? All right, let's finally welcome on stage the team of Ad Factors who put this event together. A huge round of applause. On stage, we have the team of Ad Factors.
I would want to mention a special thanks for the Ad Factor teams. They really went, especially Mr. Subbu. I disturbed him at 2 o'clock, 2:30 at night also. Thank you everyone.
Yes, indeed, and they put together this wonderful event ever so seamlessly. That's the Ad Factors team. Let's give it up. Thank you all so very much for your hard work and dedication. You may please take your seats. May I also request Mr. Kumar Singh as well as Mr. Kalani to please take your seats. I would like to now invite on stage Shri Krishnan Iyer, the Head Issuer Relationships of the National Stock Exchange, please, as we have the iconic Bell photo frame presentation to Mr. Duth. We can't progress without Mr. Duth. Could we please have you right back on stage once again? This is your day, this is your moment. You cannot leave this stage. And yes, like I mentioned, could we have Shri Krishnan Iyer, Head Issuer Relationships of the NSE on stage? And there you have it, a special gesture that's going to serve as a memory of this day forever. The Bell photo frame presentation. This was the photograph we took exactly 12 minutes ago that is being presented to Mr. Duth. And yes, you may finally be seated. Thank you so much, gentlemen. And as we approach the defining moments of today's ceremony, may I invite on stage Mr. Naveen Kumar Singh, the Group CEO India of Dhoot Transmission Limited, please, for the vote of thanks. Let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Naveen Kumar Singh.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Today marks a historic milestone in Dhoot Transmission's journey, a journey built over decades through the trust of our customers, the commitment of our employees, and support of our partners. I think Rahul ji has already said thank you to all the people, so I think I have been given only 1 minute time, so I won't be able to take everybody's name. But I will just thank the friends and of Rahul ji who has been here. I can understand the motivation kahan se aa raha hai unko. So the friends and families are really a wonderful thing I can see over here. And that's, I think, keeps him moving every day. I think morning when he comes very energized, I think because of all the evening time you are spending together. So thanks for that. and he comes in a very good mood also that day. So I would like to thank once again everyone who has been part of this journey. I would again recognize Rahul ji for his vision, leadership and unwavering commitment which has shaped Dhoot Transmission's growth and brought us to this important milestone. I am also grateful to the Board of Directors, the independent directors for their support, guidance and stewardship. A special mention goes to all our employees who are sitting here and who are there in the factory. So thank you so much. I mean, it's a very emotional thing for me, to just share with my team, because I am representing the entire 16,000 Duth employees, some of them here and maximum in the factory doing work and turning out more and more products for our customer. So their hard work, dedication and commitment over the years have made this achievement possible. This milestone belongs to you, to them, as much as to anyone else. Bane Capital has been a valued partner in our growth journey, and we sincerely appreciate their continued confidence in Dhoot Transmission. My appreciation goes to all our bankers, legal advisors, communication partners, and everyone who has worked tirelessly to make this IPO a success. Again, I can't name everybody because the time is a limit for me. Sorry for that. We are also grateful to NSE for their support and guidance throughout the listing process. To our customers and business partner, thank you for your continued trust and partnership. And finally, to our investors, the overwhelming response to our IPO reflects the confidence you have placed in Dhoot Transmission. We are delighted on behalf of Dhoot, we are delighted to welcome our new shareholders to the Dhoot family. As we enter this new chapter as a listed company, we recognize the greater responsibility that comes with being in the public domain. And we are committed to the highest standard of governance, transparency and execution. We remain focused on growth, innovation and creating value, long-term sustainable value for all our stakeholders. Without taking much time, thank you for being part of this special occasion. Thank you very much. Thank you. Namaste.
Mr. Singh, thank you so very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we wrap up this wonderful morning. A sincere gratitude to the National Stock Exchange for welcoming Dhoot Transmission Limited and for partnering with us on this historic occasion. And with this, we conclude the formal proceedings. We now invite you all to join us for breakfast, which is being served in the adjoining area. To all the dignitaries, to the partners and guests who have been with us, we also welcome you to proceed for any photo opportunities. Thank you all once again. I'm Avan Dabash signing off. Have a lovely day.